Hello there, it's Haley with Armageddon Report. So as of yesterday, in the JTWC long-range outlook for Bopha, the JTWC had Bopha both dissipating, and then as of, I believe, the 96-hour mark, so 96 hours out from whenever that outlook was issued, Bopha was going to be dissipated. That is no longer the case. Bopha has actually re-strengthened over water, which is not incredibly surprising, right? Because that's where typhoons and hurricanes get their strength. But so it's kind of confusing. Let's turn off the spaghetti models, make this a little bit easier to see. So Bopha, if we put on the satellite, Bopha is right out in this area. And this overlay, this image does not line up exactly, obviously, with this thing. But this is approximately where Bopha is now. So the path is actually to do this. So at the end of the long-range forecast, in fact, let's just go there now, on the Bopha page, scroll all the way, well, not all the way down, but now at the 120 hours, so I believe yesterday it was at the 96-hour mark that they had Bopha completely dissipated as a tropical cyclone, and now the forecast, or the outlook for Bopha, goes all the way out to 120 hours, and only being as less or as little as 15 knot winds, so still it would be tropical storm strength at that point. So Bopha, now, you know, things could change again, but Bopha may continue to bring impacts. So the Philippines, the northern Philippines could definitely be, you know, impacted, maybe not get a direct hit. So, because it is, if you look at it, predicted to kind of loop away, but obviously the outer bands could definitely impact. Now, if things change, Taiwan could be in the path. Some of the spaghetti models show that, but it looks like potentially Vietnam is going to be in the path if Bopha is still around and strengthening by that point, so that would be, this is the 120-hour mark for that storm. So obviously when it's a long-range forecast, things can change quite quickly, as we've seen with this thing. So Tropical Cyclone Claudia out in the South Indian Ocean is the other storm. However, as far as I know, no land impacts with that one. So if you scroll down, you can get satellite. There is, unfortunately, on Cyclone right now, no satellite pictures directly on the map. So Claudia, so that's good news with that storm at least. So that's what's going on right now. Bopha / Pablo, Pablo being the Pegasi name for this storm, and then Tropical Cyclone Claudia. Otherwise, severe thunderstorm otherwise in the US. Nothing today, however. Marginal chances tomorrow and the day after. So here's tomorrow's outlook. So you have 5% chance, and then it expands because it's almost the same area, but expanded for day 3. So yeah, but 5%, what would that mean? So you could pick this random point in Arkansas that's actually in both of them, and that means what you do is you draw a 25-mile radius circle around that random point, and that means that there is a 5% chance of some sort of severe weather event occurring somewhere within that 25-mile radius circle. So that could be 58-mile-per-hour or stronger winds, 1 inch or larger hail, or a tornado. So that'll be something to keep an eye on. But 5%, you know. Now, of course, if your house is the one that gets hit by the 5% chance, you don't care that it was a small chance. But 5% is fairly marginal when it comes to severe thunderstorm weather-wise. But otherwise, nothing in the long range, and nothing, as of today, at least severe thunderstorm weather-wise. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. That is it for today. Enjoy your day.